Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to see one more problem on how to find the volume using definite integral. Let us start with problem number 2. Find the volume of a solid obtained by revolving about x-axis. The plane area bounded by the curve y is equal to 2 sine 3x, x-axis and the ordinates x is equal to 0 to x is equal to pi by 3. Here they have clearly asked you the volume and that is rotated about the x-axis. So the formula for the volume becomes pi times integral y square dx. And the limits of x are given as 0 to pi by 3. Value of y is 2 sine 3x. This will give you 4 sine square 3x. Now we know that to find the integration of sine square 3x we need to use half angle formula. So this will give you 4 pi integral 0 to pi by 3 1 minus cos 6x upon 2 dx. On separating integral we have 4 pi upon 2 integral 0 to pi by 3 1 dx minus integral 0 to pi by 3 cos 6x dx. This will give you 2 pi. Integral of 1 dx is x. Integral of cos 6x will be sin 6x upon 6 within limit 0 to pi by 3. Now let us substitute the upper and the lower limits. This will give you pi by 3 minus 1 by 6 sine 6 into pi by 3 minus 0 into sine 0 upon 6. Here we have 3 ones are 3 twos are. Sine 2 pi is 0. So this entire term becomes 0. Similarly here sine 0 is also 0. So again the second term becomes 0. V will be 2 pi into pi by 3. That will give you 2 pi square upon 3 cubic units. This is our final answer. I hope friends you have understood this problem. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda.